What's up, peeps, and welcome back to Sorrel Plays. Don't mind the mess in the background. I am tidying up like mad. Okay, project today. You may remember my cleaning my fish tank video, and things ended quite disastrously, and I'm gonna fix it today. I've never done this before. Here it is. I did give it a good clean, but I'll show you what happened to it. Basically, this little corner here, can you see the gap? I do not know how this occurred, but it leaked everywhere. It was a goddamn nightmare. So I've bought something to fix it with. Here it is. HA6 marine grade RTV silicone sealant, translucent, premium automotive silicone sealant, unaffected by UV, ozone and salt water. Right, you're going to need a sharp knife to just cut the tip with this part here, and you need one of these gadgets. Okay, so let's get on with it. You might want to wear gloves for this. I'm not going to bother, but you know, here we go. So we're going to cut this thing up. Be really careful with these knives. I have sliced my hand with these before. You might want to do it away from you. I actually find that a bread knife cuts really well into these. Right, here we go. I'm not going to try and record it because I will cut myself. Okay, simple as that. I've just pressed it down onto it. So, oh my god, it stinks. This smells like bathroom silicone. And you can use it for other stuff. It doesn't just have to be for your fish tank. You can seal anything you want in your bathroom or your kitchen with this. So you just pump it basically till it comes out a little bit on the tip. But I'm going to start from the bottom. Hopefully I can get it into that gap. I won't be able to record that. I haven't got anyone to hold the camera for me. But what we're doing is prizing apart the part that separated. Oh god, don't get it on here. Give it a little bit of pressure, and then once it prizes apart, while you're putting it on, it should go in the gap with any luck. And if this fails, it will be a total disaster. So I'm going to put loads on it, and I'm going to go over it again so that we can make sure we've got a good seal on it. So I do not want to be putting any water in it while it's in this state. Oh, nearly got it on my top. Okay, don't forget to press the little thing on here because it will all start squidging out everywhere. First I'm going to run my finger along it so that it pushes it all against both bits of glass. Oh, it stinks. It's very strong. Definitely do this outside, especially if you've got pets or kids. And then we're going to give it a little wipe with a tissue so it doesn't look too messy, because this stuff does not come off if you leave it to dry. Make sure you're not completely wiping it off, of course. If you use a little blodge of fairy liquid on your finger, you know, watered down fairy liquid, you'll get a nice neat finish on it. But I am more concerned about keeping the water in once this is dry and got water in it. So we're going to leave this to dry overnight, and then we're going to put water in it tomorrow and test it. So push the glass into position and then run your finger across it again to make sure the glass is in the right place. And I'm actually going to stand it up this way. It's going to stick to the newspaper, but you can clean that off later. because that is the edge that's kind of falling out. And that's it. I'm going to leave it there, and tomorrow we're going to make sure it's dry and put some water in it. So I've left it overnight with most of it full, and I've noticed a little bubble just here. The camera's finding it very difficult to focus, but you can just see it right there, and that's a sign not to ignore. So I'm going to empty this. My finger's wet, you can't tell. And actually, while I'm at it, I'm going to renew all the seals before I can trust this fully. A little handy tip for you guys, just to stop this drying out, we're going to put a screw in there, just basically screw it in, and it will be all good to use next time. No drying. There we go. That's it from me, guys. I'm going to clean my house now, and I'm going to do that video I promised about cleaning your house in an hour. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.